Okay, we are back for another video. E for 9 TV, BFam at your service once again. Right now, I'm going through the jitters, people. I'm going through the jitters. I've been on this detox for nearly a week, and I'm having sugar cravings. It's like me coming off weed and crack and coke. People, this ain't no joke, man. This ain't no joke, man. I'm shivering, man. I'm shivering. I'm getting a craving. I'm craving for sugar. I'm drooling over apple pie. I'm having dreams of apple pie and ice cream and candy and crisps and cookies and chocolate and biscuits and all that good stuff, man. all that bad stuff, you know. But for real though, my body is absolutely craving the sugar. I've just been on nuts and veg and fruit and smoothies and green tea and certain other stuff that has no sugar in it, no salt, people. I'm just like, oh my days. I've got another 5 weeks of this stuff, man. 5 weeks of cleansing. But hey, it's all for good cause, right? It's all for good cause anyway, let's get back into the video. Right, today, right, I'm gonna play a music video, right? I was going to play a music video, but you know what? If I play the one I'm gonna play like 10 seconds. Because if I play the whole thing, YouTube is due to flag me up and may take my whole channel down, right? Because you know how it is, right? It's copyright stuff. This copyright business. I've been flagged up a few times, so right now I don't want to be flagged up any more times, just in case it happens. I'm not even sure how many times, you need to get copyrighted on YouTube before they actually remove your channel, and I don't want to go through the process of, going through that rigmarole of putting it back up again. I ain't got time for that. I'm too busy, right? But hey what? This is Migos, right? ATL, right?
And we still having this shit.
Jeez, that's all I'm playing. Migos, he's with Rich the Kid, right? The video's dope, right? The whole thing is dope. A few swearing words in it, so anyone that's flaky, be careful. Just be careful, right? Okay. Anyway, right. Let me get into the gist of the video, right? Let me tell you something about this crypto,
texting, like,
this
who is
crypto
this?
regulation business, right? Mr. Erik Voorhees. If you don't know who Erik Voorhees is, right? He's an OG in the crypto space. He's an OG Bitcoiner. He's been around since the early days of Bitcoin. This guy in the top left hand corner. He's going in the ring with this guy down here. Some of you know this guy with a fake afro, right? Mr. Sam Bankman-Fried, right? The guy who wants to work with the regulations and just feed himself more money, right? Everyone's got a right to money, but this guy, I don't know. I ain't too sure about Mr. Sam. A few things he said in this debate I agree with, but fundamentally, majority of it, this guy's just chatting to some fraff people, right? Some fraff. And Erik Voorhees, he buried him. He Mortal Kombat. Remember Mortal Kombat, that game, right? Finish him. He finished him. He bodied him. Left him body parts in the streets, people, all over the place, right? Obliterated him. Mr. Voorhees, he must have spoke 20% of the time during the debate. 2-hour debate, okay? Fast speed, people, fast speed if you don't watch it all, right? Double the speed. And Mr. Sam Bankman-Fried, he was talking most of the time. He was gabbing most of the time. A lot of it was fraff. Some of it was alright, but a lot of it was fraff, right? And Mr. Voorhees, he hardly said anything. The few words that he spoke, he bodied him. He just bodied him. KO'd. Pure Mike Tyson blows. I don't know what to say. People. But for those people that are interested, who like debates, go and check out the Bankless show. This happened 3 days ago, right? These guys on the right hand side, the guy with the glasses and the guy behind him, they are the host of the show. They hardly spoke. They just let these guys, just go in on each other. And I have to say, as I said, Erik Voorhees took Sam's head off. He tore him a new one. He tore him bit by bit, shredded him like a shredder, paper machine. Right? So, so check it out if you want. Check it out, people. Check it out. Anyway, airdrop time, people. Airdrop for anybody that's got hex out there right now, or if you have sacrificed to PulseChain or PulseX, you may be entitled to a few airdrops. So what I want you to do is go and check out the Texan token, right? Free claim DLs, Crypto Heartbeat. These guys, Crypto Heartbeat and Rags to Riches, these guys are the founders of Texan token. So if you do qualify, you just go to the website texan.cc, connect your wallet, and it will clarify, should I say, if you, sorry, hold on a minute. Yeah, it will clarify if you are eligible for that airdrop from these guys. And as you can see, there's 18 days and 19 hours and 22 minutes left. And this is coming, this video is done on the 31st. So hey people, hey, you still got 18 days to go before that airdrop runs out. So if you are eligible, get around there, people. Get that free money. These guys are legit. It is legit, people. These guys are legit in the game. They've been around for, especially Rags to Riches. He's been around for a hot minute. Crypto Heartbeat, not as long as Rags to Riches, but these are sound dudes, people. Don't take my word for it. Please do your own research. And if you're too scared, don't connect your wallet. Don't connect your wallet to the website if you're too jittery, right? And I get it. You may have some crazy amount of PulseX or PulseChain tokens on there, and you don't want to compromise it. I totally get it. I understand, overstand, understand. So, but hear what? I'm just relaying the news, what's happening in this cryptocurrency market. You know how it is, people. You know how it is. Anyway, also another airdrop you may be eligible for is Poor Pleb, right? So go to Randy Hilarski's channel and he will break it down about Poor Pleb for you, right? And this started off today, the Poor Pleb. Yeah, the airdrop started off today. I think it's open for around 60 days. I haven't gone there yet to claim my Poor Pleb tokens as of yet, but as I said, people, you get free money in crypto if you are in the right cryptos. And when you're in the Hex ecosphere, the PulseChain ecosphere, PulseX, well, as you can see, people, we get free money, people. We get free money quite a bit in this space. So for those people that are in the PulseChain ecosphere, Hex ecosphere, you may be eligible. Go and check it out, people. Go and check that out. Right, today I'm just going to make this video is going to be very, very short, people. It's just those few pointers I wanted to make, right? I wanted to just highlight you some of these heads getting taken off, Mr. Afro, Sam Bankman-Fried, and also just a few. We're just going to go over a few cryptocurrencies on the Aurochs platform to see what's happening, where we are in the bigger scheme of things, what the indicator is telling us. Because you know, it's been a while, people. It's been a while since we've checked this out, and it's been a while since we've been at these lows, people. We've been at these lows for a while. So are we still heading down, or are we still going up, or are we still going sideways? Let's check out what's the Aurochs indicator telling us. First of all, let's go to Bitcoin and see what's popping. Let's see what's crack-a-lacking right now. Anyway, I know I'm sounding a bit calm today, innit? I'm calm. I'm more relaxed, people. I think it's the food. People. I think that it's the diet that I'm on right now. It's just like, I'm just chilled, people. I'm just chilled. It's mellow. Anyway, let me just like, yeah. Okay. Let's go to Bitcoin, right? USD on a weekly chart. On a weekly chart, people, we can see we've had a green indicator from the Aurochs, as you can see, triangle, boom, a few weeks back. Now this happened like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 weeks ago, people. We had a green triangle 17 weeks ago. And it pumped for a few weeks and then it came back down, right? And it's gone back up a little bit. So, are we going back up? I don't know, people. I'm just saying what Oryx is saying, me people. Right? I'm in the same boat as you. I'm DCAing. I ain't trading right now. I'm just DCAing into certain cryptos, people. And using the Aurochs indicator stroke platform to help me do that. Simple as that. But for all you traders out there, if you don't know about Aurochs, please go and check it out. And if you don't know about Aurochs and you're just an investor, please check it out, right? Go to aurochs.com, go to the YouTube channel. It will explain everything about how to set it up, etc. It's easy, it's free, doesn't cost you a penny. All it does cost you is a bit of time to read. That's all it will cost you. And at the end of the day, you will get paid if you use it right, people. Use it right. It works best on the weekly and the daily, the Aurochs indicator. Okay? Right, so that is Bitcoin on the weekly. Let's go down. Let's zoom in a bit. People. In fact, let's zoom out a bit. Let's zoom out to the monthly. So this is how it's looking on the monthly. We are on a green month. Today is the last day of October. People, tomorrow is November. Jeez. Oh my days. The year is nearly over. Oh my giddy. Time in crypto, it goes so fast. It's unreal, people, or it is real, right? So, a year is nearly over and Bitcoin, we are waiting for a green triangle on the Aurochs indicator on the monthly chart to give us that signal to say, hey, it's game on. It is real game on. And it's looking good. I gotta say, it's looking good in terms of not the pattern on the monthly, right? But the green month, that's a good sign. That's a good sign, people. So I'm not gonna dispute that. But the shape, the pattern of it, I'm in two minds. People. It looks like a beer flag to me on a monthly. Right? Now, somebody else who reads charts, they may see it differently. And that's the thing with charts, reading charts. Everybody sees it differently. And that's why you get the crazy volatility in these cryptocurrency assets, you know. So, that's on a monthly. Let's zoom down to the daily on Bitty and see what she is saying. Right, on a daily, the day is nearly over and we've got a red triangle coming up. Now you have to wait until the day ends before you can say, all right, cool. We may be going down, maybe going down, right? Because nothing's 100%, right? So we may be just having a little pullback on the daily, people. So that is Bitcoin, right? Take it how you see it. Right, let's go to ETH, mate. Let's go to ETH before I get to Hex, one of my favorite cryptos. Not financial advice, people. And by the way, none of this is financial advice to anybody out there. I am just giving my perspective on the chart. I ain't no expert. I'm just using the Aurochs indicator. Please don't take my word for gospel. Oh, please don't do it. No. Just my opinion. And my opinion could mean jack. Everybody's got an opinion, just like everyone's got an arsehole. You get it? Alright. So, we've got a red triangle appearing on ETH as well, on the daily. Let's zoom out. Let's zoom out a bit. Let's zoom out. Let's zoom out. I don't even want to go to the 4 hour. I ain't got time for that. I ain't trading right now. I'm not trading. I'm trading. I'm trading. Right. On a weekly, on ETH. Let's see what's happening. Boom. On a boom. 2 weeks ago, we had a green triangle appear when it was around about 1100 and or around about $1,200 and change. Right. Boom. Boom. If you took that trade, you would have been in profit still. Right. So people, pay attention. Pay attention to these indicators, okay? Because if you had bought ETH around $1,200, you're in profit right now, still. And that indicator came up 2 weeks ago, right? So, hey, it works sometimes, and sometimes it doesn't. But when it does, you're in the money, you're in the money, you're in the money. So, come on people, come on. Let's go down to the monthly on ETH and see what's happening. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Okay, okay. Woo! I like that. I do like that green monthly candle. Looking absolutely mwah, mwah. I'm loving it. It looks better to me, personally, than the monthly chart on Bitcoin. Yeah? So, ETH is looking kind of bullish. The bulls, tug of war. They're getting strong, More buyers are coming in. That's all it means, people. That's all it means. When the prices are going up, more buyers are coming in. They're buying it up. When prices are going down, more sellers are selling. They're scared. Right? So, take it how you want. Right? So, we are waiting for, again, we're waiting for a green triangle to appear on the monthly, on ETH. And when I see that, that would give me more confidence to say, come on, let's pump, respect the pump. Yo, I'm buying this from Ivan on Tech. Respect the pump, and respect the dump. Either way, just respect it, people, respect it. Okay, so that's ETH on a monthly, on a weekly. Did I do the weekly? Yeah, I done the weekly and the daily, right? Okay, I told you, I'm going cold turkey a bit here. I'm sugarless, people, I'm sugarless. Right, what else? Hex. Come on, my hex. Where's my hexagons? Come out to play. Let's go into the monthly on Hex and see what's popping. Okay, on the monthly, it's looking good as well, people. It's looking good as well. We got to agree. I know you can hardly see it, right? Oops. Let's try and get this bigger for you guys out here, mate. Let's try and get this bigger. Come on. Yeah. Right. So the monthly on the Hex chart is looking okay. There's no indicator that for some reason the Oryx indicator doesn't appear on the monthly chart of Hex. Right. So let's just see what's going on the weekly. In fact, let's zoom down a bit again. Let's zoom down so you can see it, get a bit more perspective on it. Alright, so we've had a weekly triangle appear 6 weeks back, right? And if you had started buying, you'd have been in profit right now, people. You'd have been in profit. You'd have been about 30% up on your money right now, right? So you put a grand in, it means $300. You put 10 grand in, 3,000. You know the maths. Right? So Hex is looking absolutely okay. Me personally, I'm just buying on any pullback, mate. Any pullback, I'll just DCA into that. I ain't buying no greens. I'm buying the reds. I'll sell them the greens. You remember people, how to make money in this game. You buy the reds, you sell the greens. You don't do it the other way round. If you do, you're going to be frowning. And you're going to be down in the dumps. Right? So don't do that. You're going to lose money that way. You're going to lose money that way, people. Oh my days. So on the daily, on Hex, yesterday, in fact, the 30th, we had a red triangle appear. So right now, people, Hex looks like it's on its way downtown to the gutter. Yeah. B-fam is happy. I'm happy. Come down to around 3.5 cents. Please, I put a buy order. I'm gonna put a little buy order around about the 3.5 cents on automatic. So if it dips down there, you can put my order in, scoop me up, people. Come on, Hex. I need more Hex, people. I need more Hex. I'm telling you, people. I'm telling you. Not financial advice, but it's just my perspective, just my thoughts on the matter. Right? So Hex is looking okay. Hex is looking okay. What else is going on? What else do I like? Hedron. I hope you like my singing, people. I hope you like my singing. Hedron, we are waiting. This is on a daily chart. Hedron is looking bullish still. We've had a little pullback, as you can see. Right, a few days back we had a red triangle appear around, let's have a look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 days ago, just over a week, we've had a red triangle appear, and as you can see, it came down. It came down, people. It came down. Right and exact. So if you were shorting it, I'm not sure if you can short Hedron, right? But if anybody was shorting Hedron, you're in the money. You're in the money. But I'm waiting for a green triangle right now. I'm waiting for a green triangle to pump my bags. I've got some Hedron there sitting there. Just pump it, man. Come on, Hedron. Pump. Make me some money. Right? So that's Hedron on the daily. Let's have a look on the weekly. On the weekly, people, it's not looking too shabby. It ain't looking too shabby. The start of the week, it's the Monday, and it started off green. So we may be on a uptrend. I mean, the chart is looking okay. I'm loving how it's looking. And if we go down to the monthly, right, the chart is even looking more superb. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that big month. October was a big month, people, right? So, personally, I really think this is going to continue upwards, on an upward trend, right? Pay attention. That's all I'm saying. People. That's all I'm saying. Well, I ain't gonna go into no more. That's the few. In fact, let's go and have a look at the. Let's have a look at the prices today and see what's happening. Today we're on CoinMarketCap today. Nomics, just chill. Cause I want to. You know what? Nomics, I can't seem to see. It doesn't have the grey price, and I like to see what the grey price is. What Ethereum, what's graining, right? How expensive it is to transact on the Ethereum blockchain, right? Because you know how ETH is. Sometimes it gets crazy, sometimes it doesn't. Right now it's 16 Gwei or Guan, right? So I mean, I prefer it lower. Obviously, we like things low, right? But it is what it is, right? So anyway, it's the last 24 hours. Dogecoin. Anybody that's been in Dogecoin. Anybody that's been in Dogecoin for the last week. Look. 7 days. 106%, people. I know some of you got some Doge. I ain't got no Doge, right? So some of you, maybe you bought at the lows at 6 cents. I think it fell to 4 cents even. Well, you ain't like, man, you've doubled up your money. You've doubled up. You've made 100% on your money in a week. That's because, you know why? Because that's Elon Musk again. He's bought Twitter. He sacked a whole heap of people from Twitter, right? And people, he mentioned something about Doge, right? And it just pumped. I tell you, that guy, man. But it may be a good thing that Twitter is in the hands of Elon Musk right now. It may be a good thing. Because he may bring payments, right, to Twitter, but using cryptocurrency, right? Imagine if he does that and say you can tip people using Doge. What do you think is going to happen to Doge? It's going to fly, mate. It's going to skyrocket. People. It's going to absolutely boom. And by the way, there's something called PulseChain out there. I've heard of it. I haven't looked into it, but PulseChain, I think that pumped as well, right? In fact, let's look it up. Let's look up the PulseChain. I know I said that this video was meant to be short, but look at me. PulseChain. Where are you, man? There we go. PulseChain. DC. I know a DC. DC. Oh, all right. My bad. DC dumped 18% today, right? But apparently, it's linked to Dogecoin. I have not looked into it, people. I am just telling you the word on the streets, the word on the crypto streets. You know how it is, right? You know how it is. I'm the radio broadcast. This crypto streets, man. This came out in August, right? It came out in August. It had a pump, and it had a dump, as they do, and now it's pumped, and then it dumped. We love crypto. Pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, right? So go and check it out for those people that are interested. I haven't just got around to doing it, people. You know how busy life can be. Very, very busy, right? I mean, doing cryptocurrency alone is a full-time frigging job, man. It's absolutely, it's nuts, right? So let's have a look what else is pumping. I mean, there's a little bit of green today in the market. A little bit of green. Not too much big percentage, right? But it's okay. It's all right. What's this? XCN pumped 27% today. I don't know what that chain is. I mean, it's called chain, but you know, I have no idea. But on average, 2%, 1% here and there, people. On the first page, I'm not even bothered going to the second and third page, people, because that's going to make the video too long, and I need to get to the gym and have a little workout. You know, just trying to maintain myself out here, people. Trying to maintain myself. Hey, it's important. And I hope you do the same. Anyway, I'm going to end the video there, right? You know, pure divine love to all my Ethereans out there. Make sure you don't share my video. Make sure you don't give me a like. Make sure you don't subscribe. That's the new one for me right now. That's the new talk for me right now. Right? Let's see if that works. Right? See if that works. Anyway, I know I've been a bit more calm today. A bit more chilled. As I said, I think it's the food. I think it's the food, people. I'm just chilling. I'm on a chill mode right now. I'm just calm and collective. Yeah. No seafood. I haven't had no seafood. I'm even clucking for seafood, man. Oh my days. Anyway, I gotta go, people. I gotta head to the gym and give myself a good workout. Yeah. And I hope everybody's doing fine. We are nearly out of this bear market, hopefully. Right? Hopefully. Patience, people. Right? Patience will pay you. It will pay you daily. Right? Blockchain ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere, people. It's here to stay. That's my little secret. Right? Go and tell your friends and family. Blockchain is here. That's the biggest secret. Go and tell them. Let them know. Anyway, I've got to go. Now, serious, like, real talk. B-fam, I am out. Peace and love. I will see you on the next video soon. Bye.